All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Nissan Altima. It is the 2.5 SL model. Beautiful black with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, fog lights, heated seats. Only 12,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Here we do have a scuffing of sorts, let's say about 6 inches to engulf this little area right there. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Does have some curbing. Hold on 1 second. Boom. Does have some curbing here, here, here. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. Let's check out your tire thread, which is over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Does have a dent with paint off here. Let's see. 3, 6, about 9 inches right here. Boom. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. This one has some curbing. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf all that. Tire thread is over 7/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. You got front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Push start system, which does come with 2 key fob combos. And also it comes with a little tag that actually helps you make these keys, so it becomes cheaper because you have those tags. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom, right there. Very nice. Got your AC controls right down below. Dual AC controls. All right, get your heated seats right here. Pow. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 12,131. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Open up the trunk. It's got heated steering wheel as well. That's pretty cool. Keep it moving. 2 keys, owner's manual, super nice. Rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper. Looks pretty darn nice here. Rear deck lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this side. I do. Tire thread is over 10/32. Curb here about 4 inches. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks great. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good as well. Your front fender looks pretty nice. It's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I do not see any curbing on this one. And your tire thread over 7/32 on this. Headlights are working, fog lights are working, things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a beautiful 2018 Nissan Altima SL model with 12,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.